You've read the manga?
First rainy day of the school week. Look at this. Why is the calf closed? We're all broke. Dude, not gonna lie, the campus looks abandoned. One, because I haven't seen a single person walking. And two, the calf was closed. So I don't know if there's, what, a hurricane warning or something last night? Dude, Hyper Tough. Full battery. Drywall screw into the 2x4, dude. Dude, it's fixed. Chat, how does it look? Brown!
Bro, that was literally you.
You know I hate brown paint.
What is this?
What are you talking about?
Oh my god, bro.
On the trim. Dude, we've gotten like so much done, dude. Oh, and how are we gonna get up there?
Oh my god, dude. I didn't even did.
Dude, that's what I was saying, dude. Like, you can't just do a chair, dude.
Look, we have to get like a big ladder.
Dude, how's that gonna fit?
Dude.
F sheetrock. Piece of sheet.
Dude, it's summer and then by a fire. It's so hot.
Dude.
Not even 3 o'clock.
Time to go. What a long day. What a long day.
Hard day at work.
Dude, it was so hard.
Long day.
Y'all would laugh at the amount of stuff we got done. 11 more rooms to go. You know,
We might end up clicking like $7.25 an hour. But you know what? That's okay. Because $7.25 an hour we didn't have.
wahoo! Hey, Sean! Looks like so baseball player right now.
For real.
We're waiting on the bowling, whatever lady. And I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but there was a lady sitting. She said she'd been waiting for 10 minutes to give her shoes. She was sitting right over there. But I don't think you have to wait to give the person your shoes.
You do not.
I mean, I really wanted to go bowling, but oh, look at that. It was nothing. Got you. We made it. Like a total frat boy.
Crazy. We got scammed.
Chat, how much was this?
Too much.
Chat, 1869 for a single layer burger.
That's not nice.
I'm casing. Back here. Does this look familiar? Except I'm casing now.
I swear, dude. Bowling lanes aren't open. If she isn't here, I'm gonna crash out. Great. Where the heck is she? I'm about to crash out.
Do you see him we go? Question mark?
I don't want to freaking bike you.
Dude, we got 7.5, we got 12s, we got 13s.
I bet.
Dude, is this our shoes?
Hey, you got it.
We tied.
We tied. Disappointing. I'm disappointed in my performance.
That's what he said. Dude, I think legally and officially it's abandoned. Bro's panting.
Got it. Let's go.
Coach going against a young safeties coach.
Okay, who's winning?
Now they're happy that they
Tech,
get to
obviously.
see each other every day. And they said it's a full circle
Oh, no.
moment. 11 years later, you're playing.